Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Kind Healthy Grains. So check this out. This is like their granola. Vanilla flavored and non-genetically engineered, gluten-free. So let's take a look at the back. So this is the ingredients. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. And here's the nutrient panel. So we're doing a quick taste test. It does have a little bit of sugar in there, so cane sugar, as you can see. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so check that out. That is what it looks like. Bring it up. There you go. Do a quick taste test. So it's got a really sweet taste to it, and a hint of vanilla. You can taste the sugar encoded in all the oat flakes, so it is kind of sweet. Something to check out, guys. Just be aware of the sugar. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.